Have you ever scrolled through travel photos and felt a pang of envy? Those moments captured so perfectly, they almost seem unreal. Those vibrant landscapes, bustling markets, and smiling faces seem to jump off the screen, inviting you to be a part of their story. You find yourself yearning to capture such stunning images on your own adventures. The desire to freeze those fleeting moments and make them last forever grows stronger. The good news is, you absolutely can. With the right mindset and a bit of practice, you can turn your travel experiences into beautiful visual stories. With a little know-how and a dash of creativity, you'll be snapping frame-worthy shots in no time. It's not about the gear, but the vision behind the lens. Let's dive into some simple yet powerful tips to elevate your travel photography game. From composition to lighting, every detail matters. First things first, remember this. The best camera is the one you have with you. Whether it's a high-end DSLR or just your smartphone, it's all about how you use it. Don't get bogged down by fancy equipment. Simplicity can often lead to the most striking images. Whether it's a smartphone or a DSLR, what matters most is your eye for detail and a thirst for capturing the world around you. Look for those unique angles and moments that tell a story. Get ready to embrace the journey and let your camera become your trusted companion. Every click is a step closer to capturing the essence of your travels. Before you even snap your first photo, consider how you pack. Lugging around heavy gear can quickly zap your energy and limit your exploration. Opt for versatility and comfort. A lightweight camera bag or backpack with adjustable compartments can be a game changer. Remember those cute foldable shopping bags? They're not just for groceries. Stash one in your day pack. It's perfect for carrying extra layers, snacks, or souvenirs, leaving your hands free to focus on photography. Trust me, your back and your adventurous spirit will thank you. After all, the lighter you pack, the more ground you can cover and the more incredible sights you'll encounter. Imagine this. You're standing before a breathtaking vista. Mountains pierce the sky, their peaks dusted with snow, creating a dramatic contrast against the blue expanse. Below, a crystal-clear lake shimmers, reflecting the towering giants above, adding a sense of calm and serenity to the scene. Wildflowers dot the meadows, their vibrant colors painting the landscape with hues of red, yellow, and purple, adding a touch of life and vibrancy. How do you capture this grandeur in a single frame? It's all about composition. The way you frame your shot can transform a simple photo into a powerful story. Think of your camera lens as a window to your unique perspective. Instead of simply centering the most obvious subject, try using the rule of thirds. This technique can add depth and interest to your photos. Imagine your frame divided into 9 equal sections by 2 vertical and 2 horizontal lines. This grid helps you position elements in a way that feels natural and balanced. Positioning key elements along these lines or at their intersections creates balance and visual interest. It draws the viewer's eye to the most important parts of the image. For instance, place the horizon line on the lower third to emphasize the vastness of the sky, making the scene feel more expansive and open. Or capture a lone tree off-center to evoke a sense of solitude and tranquility, giving the viewer a feeling of peaceful isolation. Remember, composition is about guiding the viewer's eye and telling a story through your images. Each element you include should serve a purpose, contributing to the overall narrative you wish to convey. By thoughtfully framing your shots, you can transform ordinary scenes into extraordinary stories, capturing not just what you see, but what you feel. Whether you're wielding a smartphone or a DSLR, understanding your camera's capabilities is key to unlocking its full potential. Each type of camera has its own strengths and unique features that can help you capture stunning images. Don't be intimidated by technical jargon. Even a few basic settings can make a world of difference. Learning these settings can transform your photography from ordinary to extraordinary. Familiarize yourself with concepts like ISO, shutter speed, and aperture. These are the building blocks of photography, and mastering them will give you greater creative control. For starters, experiment with different shooting modes. Each mode is designed to help you in various shooting conditions and can enhance your photos significantly. Aperture Priority Mode. often denoted as A or AVE, gives you control over depth of field, that dreamy, blurred background effect that makes your subject pop. This mode is particularly useful for portrait photography. A wider aperture, represented by a smaller f number, like f2.8, results in a shallower depth of field, ideal for portraits or isolating a specific detail. This technique can draw attention to the subject and create a more professional look. A narrower aperture, larger f number, like f16, keeps more of the scene in focus, perfect for landscapes or group shots. This setting ensures that every element in your frame is sharp and clear, making it ideal for capturing detailed scenes. Now, let's get into perspectives. One of the most effective ways to elevate your travel photography is to break free from conventional angles. Ditch the eye-level shots and get creative. Crouch down low to capture a bug's-eye view, emphasizing the grandeur of towering structures or the intricate details of cobblestone streets. Climb a hill or find a rooftop terrace for a bird's-eye perspective, showcasing the sprawling cityscape or the undulating waves crashing against the shore. Don't be afraid to experiment. Tilt your camera, shoot through objects like foliage or windows, and look for unique compositions that spark your imagination. Remember, photography is about capturing a moment in time from your unique point of view. What is Aperture Mode, you ask? Let's delve a bit deeper into the wonders of Aperture Mode. Think of aperture as the pupil of your camera's eye. Just like our pupils dilate or constrict to control the amount of light entering our eyes, the aperture in your camera lens adjusts to regulate light and create artistic effects. A wider aperture, or smaller f number, allows more light to hit the sensor, which is ideal for low-light situations or when you want to blur the background. Imagine capturing a portrait of a street vendor with the bustling market scene gently fading into bokeh behind them. This technique draws the viewer's eye directly to the subject, creating a sense of intimacy and depth. Take advantage of the golden hour. Lighting can make or break a photograph. Harsh midday sun can cast unflattering shadows, while overcast days might create a dull and lifeless mood. Professional photographers swear by the magic of golden hours, the hour after sunrise and the hour before sunset. During these times, the sun is low in the sky, casting a warm, diffused light that bathes your scenes in a magical glow. Colors appear richer, shadows soften, and landscapes take on an ethereal quality. Golden hours are perfect for capturing stunning silhouettes, showcasing architectural details, or simply adding a touch of magic to your travel portraits. Set your alarm clock early or linger a little longer as the day winds down. You won't regret it. Patience is key. In the age of instant gratification, it's easy to fall into the trap of snapping hundreds of photos in rapid succession, hoping that one turns out perfectly. But sometimes, the most captivating images require patience and a willingness to wait for the right moment. Observe your surroundings. Pay attention to how the light changes throughout the day, how people interact with their environment, and how fleeting moments can unfold in the blink of an eye. Be patient and persistent, and you'll be rewarded with images that tell a story, evoke emotion, and capture the essence of your travels. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe by clicking the button in the bottom right corner of the screen.